This looked like the happiest beach day ever, until everything suddenly turned into chaos.
1 second he was laughing, hagged.
Oh my god, viewers, this type of 3D character style videos I have created using a 100% free AI tool with just one click. Today I have brought an incredible AI video method for you that is totally free. First of all, open Facebook and search for AI Pika channel. You can see this channel has more than 612k followers and subscribers. This channel is absolutely amazing. If we talk about their reels, today we are going to recreate videos in a similar 3D character style. You can see these videos are fully AI generated with beautiful 3D characters, cinematic scenes, and highly engaging visuals. Some videos have millions of views, while others have hundreds of thousands of views. One by one, watch all these videos carefully. Now let me tell you something important. If you upload these AI-generated videos on Facebook, they can still get monetized 100%. Facebook currently allows AI-generated content monetization if your content follows community guidelines. That is why many creators are earning through these types of videos. I have already created a powerful master prompt for you. You can see this master prompt is absolutely amazing. You will get this master prompt in the description. Inside it, you will get style keywords, camera directions, action prompts, image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts. Everything is included. All you need to do is simply copy the master prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it, and click Generate. And just boom. Within 1 minute, ChatGPT will generate 10 complete scenes including image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover scripts. You can see how unique, trending, and cinematic all these prompts are. ChatGPT creates extremely professional prompts in a very smart way, and the best part is that it is completely free. Now, one by one, review all the prompts carefully. After that, I simply copy all prompts and create separate sections for image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts. This keeps everything organized and easy to use. Now comes the main part, the image generation tools. Today, I will use 2 completely free image AI tools and 2 free video AI tools. First, let's use Leonardo AI. This tool is 100% free. Simply click on Start Now and log in using your Gmail account. As soon as you log in, Leonardo AI gives you 150 free credits daily. Now I go to the image section, select GPT Image 2 model, choose my aspect ratio, paste the first prompt, and click Generate. You can see the first image has started generating. Just wait patiently for a few seconds, and just boom! Oh my god, viewers, the first image is ready! Look at the result. The image is fully cinematic, highly detailed, and perfectly generated in 3D style. Now I copy the second prompt, paste it again, click Generate, and after waiting for a few moments, boom! The second image is also ready, and once again the result looks absolutely amazing. Now I will generate 2 or 3 more prompts one by one so you can see the final overall quality of GPT Image 2. I continue pasting prompts and generating images one after another, and just boom! Now all my images are ready. You can see every single image looks highly unique, cinematic, and engaging. Some scenes even include shark visuals and powerful character shots. Every image has excellent quality and storytelling potential. Now I simply download all the important images. Next, let's move toward the second free image tool called Flow AI. As many of you already know, this tool is also completely free. I open the Flow AI website, go to Create with Flow, and inside the image section I select the Nano Banana model. Then I upload multiple prompts together, around 3 to 4 prompts at the same time. After waiting for a few seconds, just boom! Oh my god, viewers, all 4 images are generated together instantly. Now you have to decide which tool you like more. Leonardo AI, Flow AI. Make sure to tell me in the comments which image tool gives better results according to you. Personally, I really love Flow AI for image generation. Now let's move toward the video tools. I will show you 2 amazing free AI video tools. One of these tools is still very underrated and not many people know about it. So without wasting any more time, let's move toward the video generation process. Okay, viewers, now inside the video section, you must open the Pika Art website. You will find the link to this website in my description, and yes, this is a 100% free AI video generation tool. And viewers, today I have brought huge news for all of you. First of all, I simply click on Sign in with Google and log into the platform. After logging in, you can see that I have successfully opened the Pika website. Now look carefully at the top left corner where it says, "You are currently on the basic plan." And yes, viewers, I received 80 free credits, which is honestly amazing because this platform is completely free to use. Now let me take you to the Describe Your Story section below. Here you can see multiple models are available, including Pika frames and many others. You can generate videos from whichever model you want, but today I will use Pika frames. I click on it, then I select the resolution as 9:16 because we are creating vertical shorts. After that, I add frame 1 and frame 2, paste my prompt, and finally click on the Generate option. And now you can see my very first AI video has officially started generating. Viewers, you only need a little patience here because the tool takes a few moments to process the animation. And just boom! Oh my god, viewers, my first AI video is now completely ready. Look at the quality, look at the cinematic motion, and look at the amazing animation this free tool has added in just one click. This is absolutely insane. And yes, viewers, this tool only takes 12 credits to generate a complete 5-second animated cinematic video. You can literally see the smooth motion, realistic movement, and professional animation quality inside the scene. Everything looks super clean and highly engaging. Now I simply download the video and move toward the next frame generation. Again, I add the next frame, paste another prompt, and click on Generate once more. And again, viewers, remember this tool uses only 12 credits per video, so if you receive 80 credits daily, you can easily create around 5 to 6 cinematic AI videos every single day for free. And once again, after waiting just a little, boom! My second video is also ready, and once again the animations look absolutely incredible. The motion effects, cinematic camera movement, and overall quality are honestly mind-blowing. Now I move toward the third and final frame setup. I paste another prompt, click on Generate, wait for a few seconds, and just boom! Oh my god, viewers, all 3 of my AI-generated videos are now ready, and they look absolutely amazing. Now viewers, let's move toward the second AI video tool, which is Flow AI. And I want to clearly tell you that this tool is also 100% free and gives you 50 free credits daily. That means you can generate around 5 AI videos every single day for free. Now I simply select my images one by one, add prompts to them, and generate the videos. I will show you at least 2 examples so you can compare the results yourself. Both AI videos are now completely ready. Oh my god, viewers, this looks absolutely amazing. Now after generating all my videos, I move toward the editing section. I open CapCut and simply drag all my generated clips into the timeline. After arranging all the clips into sequence, I do a little editing wherever needed, finalize the video, and then export the final result. And just look at this, viewers. Oh my god, the final output looks absolutely incredible. My complete 3D AI shorts are now fully ready. Okay viewers, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will meet you in the next video with another amazing AI idea. Until then, goodbye.